Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Hey y'all, so we are on our way to Phoenix. I'm still in Chicago right now. I just walked into my gate. This gate is a lot further than I was hoping, but it's cool because it seems like it's empty, so I guess, that's a good thing because we're going to Phoenix. It's hot as hell. Pretty sure a lot of people aren't going to a hot place in the summer. So yeah, I will see y'all when I get to my gate. I'm so excited. This is literally my first trip of the year, and we're in July, so that's bad for me. So yeah, I will see y'all when I kind of get settled on the plane, maybe, or I'll see y'all when we land.
Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They don't wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weave in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is low. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame. They'd rather be wild. This bandit, they wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If us who out hate me. Bring my products, suck my all of that talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad.
Oh, looks like my face is breaking out. But hey y'all, I haven't really talked on the camera because I am staying with someone. It's just been easier to kind of show y'all what I have been doing, but obviously I made it. It is now 6:30. I made it at honestly their time went back, so I think for me Chicago time is maybe an hour ahead, 2 hours. So when I got here it was kind of 9, 11. It was 10:30 because breakfast ended at 11. So yeah, when I first got here I took a nap. I honestly I didn't really plan this trip how I usually plan my trips. Usually I have a full itinerary of what I want to do, but it seems it's really not that much to do in Phoenix if you don't have a car, and I don't have a car. So most people do hiking and excursions type stuff. I do want to do the hot air balloons. I think I'm going to do that tomorrow because that's pretty much the only thing I really wanted to do while I was here. It's pretty expensive, but it's when will I ever kind of get this opportunity again? So I kind of need to take advantage of it. Yeah, I could come back to Phoenix and it's while you here, why not do the one thing you really wanted to do while you was here? So yeah. So yeah, I just came from, I forgot the name of it, but I'll put it on the screen. I had 3 margaritas and some shrimp tacos. The shrimp tacos were pretty good. To me, they kind of I think the shrimp was kind of it kind of reminded me of frozen shrimp. Not raw frozen shrimp, but frozen battered shrimp. But of course, the way they dressed it up and then the sauce made it taste better. Margaritas was pretty good. I had the passion fruit one, that was an 8 out of 10. I had a peach one, that was kind of a 6 out of 10 to me. It wasn't as strong, but the last one I had was the original, and original margaritas gonna always be strong. I hope I'm not sweating because I literally just came into the room. So yeah, the weather, obviously it's hot. It's Phoenix, it's the middle of the summer, it's hot, but to me it's not that bad. It's bad, but it's not that bad, because to me it reminds me of being on vacation. As soon as I stepped outside, I was okay, this is some thick heat, But like I had turned to the sun because I had originally was walking in the wrong direction like real quick, and then I turned around because I figured I was going the wrong way, and then I was facing the sun. I was like, oh, this is different. So the sun, facing the sun, crazy, but it's not that bad. Plus I bought a portable fan, so I'm like, I know I'm here, so I'm not gonna really like make a big deal out of it. But I want to show y'all my view. Not really much to see. If I didn't mention, I'm here for the WNBA All-Star Weekend. There have been like things going on all day, but like you had to buy tickets for them, and it's just like I'm really like, I would love to be like experiencing that stuff, but it's a whole day thing, and like this is my first time in Phoenix. I don't want my first time in Phoenix to be centered around the WNBA, to be honest. I don't. So I will be going to the game tomorrow. I wanted to go to the they're having like a Kia sporting something, like I don't know, it's like an entertainment thing. I wanted to go to that, but I didn't realize I needed to buy a ticket for it, so missed out on that. But no big deal, because again, I'm going to the game, and I think that's like the biggest thing. So here is my view. So we are literally like walking distance from Chase Field. I want to say that that's where the game will be, or if not, it's like another like arena across, like probably either that way or that way. I want to say, well, that might be it. But it's another like stadium across from it, so everything is in walking distance. Also, when I was doing my research, I heard that like Phoenix has a good downtown nightlife, so I'll be going back out. But you know, I'm okay. Like at this point, like I'm kind of just grateful to be off work, grateful to have been on a flight, kind of just chilling. I'm actually finna like slide into my bed to relax. But I really feel like I just need to go ahead and buy. Oh, I want to show y'all my outfit, but the one mirror we have in this room, my friend's stuff is in front of. So here's my outfit. My whole outfit is from Shein, low key. I look cute. I look really cute. I really like dressing like this, I ain't gonna lie. Ugh. Sweating, child, sweating, but yeah. Bodysuit is from Shein. Shorts is from Shein. I love shorts like this. Like this is my vibe for the summer. Belt is from Shein. Oh, I have on my house shoes now, but I did have on my Hermes sandals. Wig is from somebody on AliExpress. And this was the wig I wore for my birthday last year while I was in El Salvador. Jewelry, if y'all care, is my, I want to say they're both my Rachel Nicole. These are like two necklaces, but they're like tangled up together, and I don't feel like separating them. So it's sweating. Where's the light switch? So yeah, I'm about to chillax in my bed. Part of me wants to go to the aquarium because I feel like I just cannot waste my days. Like I feel like I honestly thought I'm leaving Sunday. Okay, I don't know why my camera wouldn't focus, but I feel like I need to just go ahead and book my air balloon ride. Where's my phone? Okay, good morning, y'all. I did not make it out again last night, but we are on our way to brunch, so I just got dressed. Show y'all my outfit. My shirt is from TJ Maxx. Shorts are from Old Navy. Did my hair. I am not wearing makeup today because I slept in my makeup last night. So yeah. And then I'm wearing my Hermes sandals. So that is my outfit.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. absurd. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the DP lady. QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trapping, I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody.
Okay, y'all, this is my dinner, and then I got 2 churros, so we'll see how those look. Alright, so that's good as opposed to being